Welcome back to my channel, Investing with Saraan. Today we have an important video for our new series. As I mentioned last week, today will be the day where I introduce the fifth stock for this Wealthsimple Trade Small Account Growth Challenge. But before I do that, I'll ask you to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you're a new viewer. The main purpose of this series is to show how a university student without a lot of money like myself can build up a nice growth portfolio with a small amount. With that information, let's go into detail into the fifth stock in this portfolio. The stock that I'm focusing on is Greenlane Renewables, ticker symbol GRN.TO, on the TSX market. I recently bought 30 shares of stock at $1.50 Canadian for the fifth stock of our small account growth challenge. In the rest of the video, I'll be going through a surface level look on the company and explain why I'm adding it to my portfolio. In future videos, I'll be going through an in-depth analysis of this company to solidify my hypothesis for this stock. Greenlane is cleaning two of the largest and most difficult to decarbonize sectors of the global energy system, the natural gas grid and the transportation sector. As a leading global provider of biogas upgrading systems, Greenlane's solutions create clean, low-carbon renewable natural gas, also known as RNG, suitable for injection to the natural gas grid and for direct use as vehicle fuel. Their biogas upgrading plants, marketed and sold under the Greenlane Biogas brand, remove impurities and separate carbon dioxide from biomethane and the raw biogas created from organic waste at landfills, wastewater treatment plants, farms, and food waste facilities. Without multiple core technologies, more than 125 systems in 19 countries and counting, and 30 plus years of experience, Greenlane finds the right solution, whatever the specific project requirements. Whether they're working with waste producers, gas utilities, or project developers, they're doing the most with biogas, helping them to turn a low-value product into a high-value, low-carbon renewable resource. Together, they're changing the nature of natural gas, which I really find very interesting. Their product is biogas upgrading technology. Greenlane's biogas upgrading solutions are marketed and sold under the Greenlane Biogas brand. Biogas upgrading systems cleanse the impurities in biogas and separate the carbon dioxide from the biomethane to create a clean, high-purity, low-carbon fuel. Greenlane is the only biogas upgrading company to offer multiple core technologies, which include water wash, pressure swing absorption, also known as PSA, and membrane separation. There are various projects that are within the biogas upgrading solutions, and in this image you can see the various types. The water wash project is best for larger biogas upgrading projects demanding high biomethane recovery and robust, reliable operations. Their Greenlane Biogas product line is high-efficiency water wash systems and consists of 5 models designed to meet a wide range of flow rate requirements. All the models are of a standard modular design with a compact footprint, able to process different raw biogas flow. When larger capacity is required, Greenlane Renewables provides multiple systems in parallel. The pressure swing absorption is best for complex feedstock. The pressure swing absorption, also known as PSA, is an effective method of separating specific gases for a complex mixture of gases like those generated in landfills. The Greenlane PSA process involves several steps to purify the biogas and separate the methane from the carbon dioxide. The membrane separation is best for smaller biogas upgrading projects and reducing upfront expenditure. Membrane separation technology uses 3 stages of high-efficiency tubular porosis membranes to separate the carbon dioxide from the methane in process called permeation. The membrane separation is often best suited for small or medium-sized biogas upgrading projects, where the initial capital expenditure is considered more important than the long-term lifecycle costs. After going through the company and the product overview, it's important to look at what's behind the whole company. Like I've said in the past, in all of my videos in this challenge, the reason for this choice is because with good leadership, you're able to create a vision that can motivate people into making that vision a reality. Examples of this in the past have included Elon Musk with Tesla and the late Steve Jobs with Apple. Now, when you look at the leadership team, I always look at the CEO, and in this case, his name is Brad Douville. Brad joined Greenlane in 2017 after a 25-year career in the natural gas commercial vehicle industry. He was a founding member of Westport Innovations Inc., formed in 1995, and now It's called Westport Fuel Systems Inc. and Cumin Westport in 2001. Brad holds a mechanical engineering degree in the University of British Columbia and an executive program certificate from the Stanford School of Business. Along with him, Greenlane Renewables have a great leadership team, which is made of 5 or more members, as you can see in this image. Not only does this company have a great CEO and a leadership team, they also have a diverse group of members, part of their board of directors. These individuals have ample experience on their side, which proves to be very beneficial to a company. The final aspect of the stock that we'll be focusing on is the financials. As I said in all my videos in this challenge, the first thing I will look at is the stock's financial and their ability to earn revenue. In Greenlane Renewables' latest quarterly report, they did pretty well. In terms of revenue, Greenlane Renewables earned $12,583 in the second quarter of 2021. This is pretty impressive. What makes it more impressive is the percentage of growth that they had compared to the last year of quarter 2. In the second quarter of 2020, they only earned $4,241. This means that this year's second quarter was almost a 300% increase from the year before. Next, I will look at the gross profit and the gross profit margin and their ability to increase it yearly. In order to calculate the gross profit margin, I would need to divide the gross profit by revenue, and that would equal 23.2%. This is a 5% increase from the gross profit margin in 2020 in quarter 2. This is a good sign as investors understand their ability to continue earning revenue while keeping the gross profit margin pretty high, while increasing the gross profit margin every year. Lastly, we'll look at the company's total cash on hand. This is important to look at because for most companies, cash on hand is incredibly important to deal with debt and current liabilities, as it's much easier to liquidate and solve those problems. In Greenlane Renewables' case, their cash and cash equivalents is $36,508, which is double from their quarter 1, which is $16,442. My overall thoughts for Greenlane Renewables are very optimistic. They're in an industry that is rapidly growing for the decade to come. Their support is backed by retail investors and in their ability to show their worth through their financials. I have specific goals that I want for this company for the rest of 2021, but I'll address these in this challenge where I revisit the stock. I'll also provide current updates and go through a deeper dive into the stock and go through the presentation where I revisit this stock again. With continuous improvement in their financials for years to come, I can at least see myself doubling my investment in this company as I see it going to $3 by the end of 2021. One disclaimer that I want to give is that the opinions and views shared on my channel Investing with Saraan are for informational and educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. Most importantly, everyone should always do their own research before investing into a company. But if you do want to invest in Greenlane Renewables after doing your own research and due diligence, I got good news for you. If you use the link in the description or using the code QDSGTG, you'll be able to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a commission-free trading platform that has instant deposits, which is really great for individuals. Plus, by using this code and investing into your account, you'll be able to get up to 2 stocks worth up to $4,500. But with that information, make sure you punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It's been Saraan, and join me in my next video. Bye for now.